easy go.
What is up, guys? My name is Christian, aka Cobra, playing some domination. Actually a game that I'm good at. As you can see, I'm using the shotgun. I just want to feel, how does it feel to, you know, there's someone jumping over my head. That didn't hit him. Oh, that hurts. But yeah, I decided to use a shotgun, you know. People always use it on me. As you can see, I suck with it. But yeah, people always use it on me. I just want to like return the favor with it. That's all I want to do. Oh, I suck. I just wanted to see how tough it is. Oh, thank you, Brecky. My Brecky's not upgraded, so I couldn't use that. I would have, but dang, I suck with shotguns. You know, the only reason why I suck is because I'm used to guns that take skill. So like a gun that doesn't take skill is just like beyond me. I'm like, what's going on? Oh, can I get up here? Thank you. I was gonna see if he was gonna chase. Turns out he's not. I'm missing shotgun bullets, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, there's no need for me to lie. Okay. Oh. If they can give me a small map with this thing, oh my god. I will wreck with this. This map is too freaking, what's it called? It's big, but not big. I'm trying to say, there's too many range to get. Oh, that's this partner. What? What? Hello? Okay, finally she's down. Oh my goodness, that took a little too much. You can sit down. Yeah, handle. Whoa, he came out of nowhere. So there was another one. That guy didn't check. I thought there was nowhere. I was like, oh, he went. There's no one in there. So that was my bad. Never trust teammates. Always forget that. Unless you're playing D2. Ooh, I suck. I can't believe I missed that. Yeah, this is a warm-up game, as you can see. I just came off of Destiny, and then I tried to use a gun that I never used, aka shotguns. I'm still nice with it. I don't care. I'm still nice with it. Even though I'm 12 and 9, I'm still nice with it. Let's see what we can do next side, though. Try to finesse. Dang, this just hurt. Hey, stop shooting. See, this is the goal. This is not the goal. The plan. I'm not gonna go up there. I'm gonna go straight under on like the greatest flank ever that you ever see. And I'm gonna end up with like a freaking 5-piece with this thing. I'm telling you. Quote. Oh crap. Okay, how do I? Why are you back there? Oh, they never spawned back there like that. I thought they were not gonna die that fast. Okay, don't ever slide up on me like that, alright? He doesn't know. I can't move. I can't. Okay. Why are you shooting at me? Yo, is there someone back? Oh, he's underneath. I was like, what? Okay. So what's your plan? Oh, look at the finesse. You finesse me. Okay. You know what? Oh! Look at the finesse I'm doing. I'm a god with the sniper. Shotgun. I'm a fucking sniper. Okay, where old bro go? Oh. Slide up my favorite. I might have to go range game with this kid. Hey, you could try me. Yo, I'm sick with this. I need to stop. I'm enjoying this way too much. Oh. He put a trip mine. Ah, I got shot in the back. Dang. Watch this. Oh, let me get behind here. Let me help the squad. You hear me? Let me use this. Sick and tired of playing all back like that. Oh, whoa. Yo, I'm garbage, yo. Dang, I'm so rusty. That was too many attempted shots for one guy. That was ridiculous. Trip mines, really? Wait, was he shooting at me or no? Okay, I'm gonna finesse this then, since they're all preoccupied. I'm just gonna pull this off for a second. Let me show him just a little bit of gun skill, you feel me? Just a little bit, because as I say, you can't use nothing but a shotgun. Show him real quick. And with a bang, you feel me? They're all dying every time I see them. Okay guys, that was very solid. No free kills. Okay. They're completely ignoring me. I'll find the I was gonna give it to him too. I was about to give him the melon. Hey, 25 into it. Oh, what? Something light with the shotgun. If they give me a small map, it is a wrap. I'm telling you, it's a wrap. Let's see what we can get, bro. I'm telling you, it's about to be a wrap if they give me a small map. Yo, I finally got a small map. Like, this is the best map you could hope for, I mean. But I had to put it, you know, AR still, because I've been getting too many range engagements with this thing. I might not even have to use it, but as you can see, this is probably the best class you can have to run into. Dang, everybody got breckies, that's the funny part. All I hear is breckies. And this has no upgrades, that's the worst part. So if this thing, if I get go crazy with this thing, I just got sniped. If I go crazy with this gun, breckies are overpowered, that's all I gotta say. Hey, there's too much going on. All I hear is shotguns, it's making me weird. I don't like this, it's just me. Kill him. So, yo, these kids are weird, they're sliding. I might ask them to try to go hard. That's the weird part. I don't know. I need his breckie. I'm gonna pick it up. This is too slow. I mean, breckie's overpowered regardless, but this is too slow. Oh. Got all the breckies, oh my goodness. Yo, am I lagging? No, I'm not lagging. I get the map I want. This is how it turns out to be. Like a breckie man does. gotta get in their base. That's what I had to do. Yo, I'm getting sniped now. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this for a minute. Yo, what's my sense now? Oh, why is it like that? It should be regular. Couldn't even move up fast. They got that now. It's game over. Jesus Christ, this is like the most chaotic Nuketown I ever played in. She got some hacks. I need to get a little better. This is not coming out to where I want it to be. This is ridiculous. I'm getting destroyed by pistols. I thought it was 12 to 19. That's why I had to check again. I was like, what's going on? You can stop, bro. All right, get on my nerves, man. They're actually getting on my nerves. Freaking Brecky using angles. Who's shooting at me? What is going on? What the heck? Like, wow, I want her Brecky, whatever that is. That thing freaking melts. That has a limited range. What do you do against that? A pistol that melts in 2 bullets, like what? Dang it, we got worked. That's too many breckies to count, man. And they're laggy too. That's the worst part. They're all laggy. Bunch of laggy hunters. Alright, I need to turn up like for real. Like I'm about to get in their buttholes, bro. I'm about to like destroy them. And she behind me. Teammates need to do something like fast. They need to do something. They're getting on my nerves. There is another one. Am I going against a clan? I feel like we're going against a clan now. Aim a little sloppy. Yo! They come at you like fast. It's ridiculous. Yo, she has something. She has to have. She's lagging or is her trigger finger that fast? What can the one man do? Where the heck did she go? Done. Can I get the last bullet on him? Dang. I actually want to win this game now. Like, I actually want to win. This kid's gonna learn how to last it. Like, this is ridiculous. I can't even get my sight on him, bro. Like, it's so hard. My Wraith is down already. What? He didn't die. I thought he was dead. Stop shooting at him. Of course. Like, of course. Oh my. Can I kill one of them? No, man! I couldn't kill him with his. I could have just seen with his burning behind. Are you serious? That really just happened. I get sniped. I get sniped. Oh, this is a tough game. This could make me like not be able to sleep at night. This game. Why right there, bro? Dang, I just like hop off of me. Yo, freaking garbage. Dang. Oh my goodness, that is annoying. If we get the same map, I'm about to destroy it. I'm about to lose. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I tried to be a shotgun warrior, it ain't happening. I ended up facing a full team of shotgun warriors. True shotgun warriors. But I'm gonna play these kids again. This is gonna be a separate video. I gotta poop on them now. Like, I gotta show them what guns do. I gotta show some stuff. I hope y'all enjoyed. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe.